During the COVID pandemic, there's about 7%
Right.
carbon emissions reduction worldwide. This is due to lockdowns, business not operating, energy demand was just reduced. The more we develop, the more carbon emissions that we make. So
Yeah.
how are we going to balance between human development as well as carbon emissions? When we talk about human development, right, we're talking about increasing in energy demand. Instead of hindering human development,
Correct.
we need to increase renewable energy share.
Yeah.
We need to opt for green mobility because those are the two biggest contributor for carbon emissions.
We have to start to inculcate ourselves, inculcate our minds and the young minds as to how do you live more sustainably.
Yeah.
So sustainable lifestyle isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a way of life. It has to be adopted by every single Malaysians and even every single human being. Greener transportation options, tracking your carbon footprint. How do you make sure that you eat food that does not release as much carbon emissions? Individual action matter. Well, you might think by you just doing it, it won't bring a lot of difference. But actually, yes, because it's a snowballing effect. Because if you're doing it today, then your friend's going to be following, your family is going to be following, and you have these conversations with a lot more people. And eventually, everybody's going to start following it. So the more and more people following it, then the bigger impact that you see, and the faster that we can also reduce or slow down the progressive effect of climate change